Welcome to QuantVPS. We're excited to take you on a tour of our client portal, showcasing all the features and tools you need to optimize your trading experience. We will also show you how to access your server with Microsoft Remote Desktop. Let's get started by heading over to the client portal. When you first open the client portal, you'll be directed to the Overview tab. Here, you can view all of your active QuantVPS servers, along with essential details such as their status, IP address, and location. To proceed, I'll click on my active server, which will take us to the control panel. In the server control panel, you'll find your server credentials, which are essential for accessing Microsoft Remote Desktop, something we'll cover in more detail later. As you scroll down, you'll encounter various functions that help you manage your server effectively. One of the key functions is Reboot System, which is particularly useful if you experience any issues with your server that need a fresh start. Additionally, you have the option to reinstall the operating system, allowing you to select from various available operating system options to best suit your needs. Further down, you'll find the Backup section, where you can enable automatic backups. This feature ensures that your data is regularly backed up, providing an added layer of security and peace of mind. Returning to the top, let's now click on the Monitoring tab. Here, you can view our advanced server monitoring system from anywhere in the world. You'll see detailed usage stats for CPU, network, RAM, storage, and more, giving you comprehensive insights into your server's performance. Next, we'll navigate to the Deploy New Server tab. Here, you can browse through our available dedicated and virtual private server options in New York or Chicago, perfect for when you decide to upgrade or add additional servers to your setup. Lastly, let's explore the Support tab, where our 24/7 expert support team is ready to assist you with any issues or questions you may have. Whether you need technical assistance, troubleshooting, or just have a few questions, our dedicated support team is here to ensure your experience with QuantVPS is smooth and efficient. Now that you have explored the client portal, let me guide you through accessing your server using Microsoft Remote Desktop. We'll start by returning to the control panel, where you can find your server credentials, which are essential for connecting to your server. However, before we proceed, you'll need to download Microsoft Remote Desktop if you haven't already. Click on View Download Options in the control panel. Here, you'll see various download options for different operating systems including Mac, Windows, iOS, and Android. For this demonstration, I will be using a Mac, but the steps are similar for other devices. Since I already have Microsoft Remote Desktop installed on my computer, I'll move forward. Please click Download for your respective device, pause the video, complete the installation, and then return here for the next steps. This will ensure you're ready to follow along as we access the server together. Once you have downloaded Microsoft Remote Desktop to your device, go ahead and open the application. You'll want to click the red Add PC button to begin. This will prompt you to enter the PC name. In this text field, you will need to input your server's IP address. To locate your IP address, let's head back to the control panel. Under Server Credentials, you'll see the IP address listed. Next to the IP address, there's a convenient button that allows you to copy it directly to your clipboard. Once you have copied the IP address, return to Microsoft Remote Desktop and paste the IP address into the PC name field. After pasting, click the Add button to proceed. This will save your server information, making it ready for you to connect and access your server. For the next step, you will need to double-click on the server you just added to Microsoft Remote Desktop. You will be prompted to enter a username and password to access the server. Both the username and password can be found in the Server Credentials section of your client portal. Navigate back to the client portal, locate the username, and copy it. Then, return to Microsoft Remote Desktop and paste the username into the appropriate field. Repeat this process for the password. Once you have copied and pasted both your username and password, click Continue to proceed. Before we move to the next step, here's a helpful tip to save your server credentials, including your username and password, so you don't have to enter them each time. Navigate to the three dots as shown here and click Edit. Find User Account and click the drop-down menu. Select Add User Account, then paste your username and password. Give your server a name. I'll be naming mine QuantVPS Tutorial. Finally, click Add and then Save. This will store your credentials for future use. After you click Continue, you will be asked to confirm your action. Click the red Continue button to proceed. Your new Windows server will now load, giving you complete access to your server. Once your server is up and running, you can take advantage of several key features. The high performance of our servers ensures that your trading activities run smoothly without interruptions, thanks to optimized speed and reliability. Scalability is another major advantage, allowing you to easily adjust resources based on your trading needs. Security is robust, with advanced features in place to protect your data and transactions, giving you peace of mind. Additionally, the user-friendly interface makes it easy to manage your server and applications efficiently. Now that you have full access to your server, you are free to download and install any of the trading software you use, such as NinjaTrader, TradeStation, IBKR, MetaTrader, and more. This setup allows you to create a powerful trading environment tailored to your specific needs. Thank you for choosing QuantVPS. We appreciate your trust in our services. For more information and to find our servers, visit QuantVPS.com. Additionally, you can explore solutions, tips, and educational content at our blog.quantvps.com. We're here to support your trading journey with the best tools and resources available.